Okay, so a little late, but we're gonna do it. So we're gonna talk quickly about elements of shape. So when we think about objects and making something, like our owl this morning, they're all composed of different shapes, but not like a square and a circle and I guess a circle, but like the classic shapes that you would think of, like a triangle. It's actually broken down even more. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through the 5 elements of shape. So I will draw this because it's actually backwards what you'll see. So I'm going to post a picture, and what you're going to do at the end is you're gonna after you listen to these, we're going to go through an example, and then after you can go and make your own sheet of it and find the shapes in your house. Okay, so our first one is a circle. So this is the first element of shape, is a circle. So there's a circle, but a circle isn't just a perfect circle. We also have these wonky circles, okay, like a jelly bean, any kind of blob like figure that's curved into each other, okay, that connects together into like a circle. So let me think of one more. Let's see. Oh, like an oval. Okay, so these are all circles. Okay? Yeah, see, it's backwards, but that's all right. All right, so these are all circles. Anything that's empty, right? So now the second one is a dot. So it's the exact same thing, but it's filled in. Okay, so I'm not going to do all these again, just because that will take a while, but for the purpose of the thing, so we have I'll do a couple there. A filled in dot. This would be, right? Like they can be small, they can be big, they can be any shape, right? Okay, so the same thing, you can make your wonky shapes. I don't know what that is. But it's a circle or a dot, and it's filled in, okay? Okay, so let's move on to our next one. Our third one is a straight line. I did not write that right. Straight line. Anyway, a straight line, so literally just a straight line. There's no bends, there's no curves. It's just a straight line, okay? So these could be any shape or size, like the side of a building would be a straight line. Okay. All right. Straight lines. Then our next one is a curved line. So curved line. So a rainbow would be a curved line. A wave like that, curved line, a swirl, curved line. Here, I'll just make a couple more. And they don't have to be a straight line either, they could be thick. I mean, a thin line, not straight. Okay, so with any of these, they could be thick or thin. Same with even the circle, like that could be a thick circle, but it's still open in the middle. Right? Okay, number 5 is an angled line. So an angled line, we have like mountains. Okay, there. So an angled line would make up a triangle. It would make up a square. Okay, these are all angled lines. Make an L. Okay, so these are all angled lines. Even if it's just slight too. Okay, so these are all the elements of shape. So everything is composed of these basic shapes. So that's, it makes it, actually I'm going to leave that open. So it makes it easy to identify things and break them down when we're looking at things. So where are the straight lines, where are the curved lines, dots? Okay, so when you're looking at something, just try to look and think back to these 5 basic elements of shape. So I picked out Cooper's toy, and I'm going to show you a couple of examples of how, what the different shapes are. So I'll start with the cape. So what do you think at the bottom it might be? Is it an angled line? Okay, so the activity is you're gonna find, you could just pick an object and like this one and find all the different shapes of this one. So we have the cape. So what I'm gonna get you to do is go on. So I found my cape, I'm gonna draw it. Okay, there, Batman's cape. Draw Batman. Okay, so now let's find a curved line. So look at the bottom of his foot. Knee to his foot is a curved line. So we'll look at what we're drawing, and we'll look at our paper, and we'll draw from his knee to his foot is a curved line. Okay, so I have 2 of my shapes so far. We have an angled line and we have a curved line. Let's see, does he have any? Okay, so his eye is really hard to see. Actually, yeah, his eye is really hard to see, but it's a dot because it's filled in. There's a dot. Oh, a dot to fill it in, sorry. My marker is starting to run out. Okay, you get the idea. Okay, so we have 3 so far. What else do we need? An angled line, a curved line, a straight line. Okay, let's see if we can find a straight line. So actually, that would have been a straight line there. Okay. So on the back, he has a little thing that makes his arm punch. So that could be my straight line. So there's a straight line right there. Okay. And then last one is a circle. So I don't know if he has any circles on him. Here's another curved line, is his hand. Curved like this. That's his hand there. Alright, I don't see any circles on him. Well, actually, right there. So where it's open for that screw there, that is a circle because it's not filled in. It has a dot inside it, the screw, but around it is a dot. Oh, is a circle. Okay, so you could even draw the circle, and then inside is a dot. Okay, so with one toy I was able to find all 5 elements of shape. So you can go and find different shapes just in your house. So like that chair over there, I could look and see. Okay, there's a straight line. Oh, which way am I going? There's a straight line there. And over here, This is very confusing. Over here we have a curved line, right? Okay. Over here I have this shelf. There's a straight line. Oh, hello, Fidel. Okay, so go around your house. There's lots of straight lines in the picture there. There's a curved line with that star. Okay, so you can go around. There's some circles right there on that chair. Okay, so you can go around and find these shapes everywhere, and then it will make you a better artist by being able to see these things. Then when you look at something to draw something, you're like, okay, where are the shapes? And you can put them down onto paper a little bit better. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know. I'll post a picture with this as well. Thanks.